What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got a review of the D-Link DCS-8000LH Wi-Fi camera. This Wi-Fi camera features 720p video and remote viewing via the My D-Link app for iOS and Android. So the camera brings smart home compatibility with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and IFTTT for integrations. The unit features day and night view and cloud recording options with a subscription plan. Taking a look inside the box, you'll find the Mini HD Wi-Fi camera itself, a micro USB power adapter, and a quick start guide. As we can see, the camera features a mini design, hence its name, at 9.7 centimeters tall in a white design. From the bottom, we've got a light sensor for day/night view, which supposedly allows for up to 5 meters of night vision in total darkness. That 720p camera with a 120-degree field of view, a built-in microphone, and a discrete IR LED. Taking a look at the app, it's really easy to set up the camera. Simply download the My D-Link app and proceed to create yourself an account. Next, the app will ask you to add a device. From here, we'll scan the bottom of the camera with its QR code and configure the camera to our liking. The app allows you to see a live view of the camera and listen in to what's going on. You're also able to take a screenshot or record to the My D-Link cloud. You're also able to set up motion and sound trigger events, where the app will send a notification to your device to let you know when motion or sound is detected. With integrations such as Google Assistant and a Google Chromecast, you're able to say, "Hey Google, show camera on TV," and a live view of the camera will display on your TV. You can also ask Google to turn on and off the camera. With other integrations such as Amazon Alexa and IFTTT, or if this then that, you're able to set up different type of trigger events as well. So the camera quality itself, in my opinion, is below average from what I would expect from a smart home camera today. You'll be able to pick up on some details, but I feel like this camera is more of a camera to keep an eye out on your pets or your living space. Night view does work well, where it's able to pick up some detail, and the My D-Link app allows you to view recordings, etc. I sort of wish the camera was at least 1080p though. To sum up my thoughts on the D-Link 8000LH Wi-Fi camera, I think it should fit nicely into a bookshelf without it being seen. Personally, I would recommend a 1080p version such like the D-Link Omna 180 HD camera. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. Let me know your thoughts on this product in the comments below that like button, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Anyways, thanks for watching, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.